up, dudes and dudettes? It's me, it's King Go-Go, coming at you live from Friday night. That's right. This is part 3 of the Mailbox ANVIL that I got from Mr. William Witters Jr. You rock, bro. I mean, seriously. I mean, I showed it before, but here, look. This is everything I took out of the box so far, and here's the ANVIL right there.
Is that Jennifer?
And is it Jennifer on there?
No, she isn't.
No.
No, she's hiding under the table.
She's hiding under the
she
table.
doesn't get on camera.
And what I got for you tonight is I got me Mr. King Mopar over here, right there, and on my left. Well, when you're watching, it'll be on your left. Yeah.
It's backwards.
But when they watch it, whatever. I got my niece Karen. She's here to help me with bring out a couple of cars out of the ANVIL. But I'm not gonna take them all out because there's just so many, bro.
Yes.
I mean, oh man. Just real quick. Oh, they're all falling out. So I got that many in here. I'm not gonna do every single one on this last video because I already got 2 parts I need to upload, and you're gonna have at least 6 videos tonight. I'm just telling you in advance. It's Friday night. I'm all up. I'm wide awake. Trust what we're gonna do. So we'll have my lovely niece Karen. So and then in the background there is lovely Michelle, as always. And we should pick out some cars. We're just gonna show them to the camera and show them to the guys.
Yeah.
I mean, if you know what it is before I do, just chime in. You know.
Okay.
So what we got first, Karen?
This one.
It's the Lamborghini Gallardo? Is that how?
No, I think that's the Diablo.
Oh, Diablo. Okay. So,
I like it. It's
close.
sparkly. I like
There you
it.
go. Look at that. Now turn it straight. Yeah, show those taillights. Show those taillights to King Go-Go.
King Go-Go. And King Mopar.
Yes.
But, they're like sparkly like taillights. And the Ultra Hots. You know, everyone knows I like the Ultra Hots. These wheels are just awesome. I wish I can get one. What's that car? The DeLorean.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
DeLorean, original, not red. Original DeLorean with the Ultra Hots. That'd be awesome.
Yes.
But there's that. That's the Lamborghini Diablo. What else did you get? What is that? Is that the Lancer?
I do believe that is the.
Mitsubishi.
Oh wait, or is that the STI?
I don't know. We have to look at the bottom. Look at the bottom, Karen. What does it say? Is it upside down?
No.
It's like the blind leading the blind.
Yeah, right there in the bottom.
So scared.
Mine, Subaru.
Subaru and Impreza.
Yeah.
WRX STI.
In the police decos.
And you read it all the way from over there.
No, I just
Knew
know.
it.
I just know Subarus.
You just know your Subarus.
I don't know, Sherry. Sherry, you got this one, Sherry? If you do, I'm not giving this one up. Maybe. We'll see. But, dude, William, I just can't stress enough, Bill. Like, you just are blowing my mind away right now. And, what else you pick out, Karen?
I want to pick one out.
Oh, the hot tub faster than ever. What?
What?
So, like, it's faster than ever wheels. Look, Marty France, I got 2 of these bad boys now. Too bad it wasn't on the card, bro. I'm so ready to mine against yours. But, there's that bad boy. What else you pick out, Karen?
Yeah, he's got the.
He's over there now.
Yeah.
You're right in front of the box. What's in the box, Karen? What's in the box?
Calm yourself.
What's in the?
Calm
What's in the box?
Got another
I love
sparkly
cars.
Oh,
one.
another sparkly Lambo. What?
My favorite color.
Sparkles?
Purple.
It's sparkles.
Sparkly purple.
See? Tearing it up.
With the orange interior.
That's how we do it here in the Shire.
That's how we roll here in the Shire.
Whatever. We do it, we
And
roll.
we got King Mopar. What'd you grab?
Oh well.
Oh.
See?
I just had to grab this one. It's screaming out to my Mopar roots. Looks like a 71 or 72 Hemi Dodge Challenger.
Nice.
Loving this.
I believe that was the car from Green Lantern movie. Did you see that movie?
I wish I did.
What is with you people? You've seen it, right? With Ryan Reynolds? Green Lantern? Yeah, you're falling asleep to that movie tonight.
No, I've seen that movie.
I love this car.
But isn't that the car that he? What'd you do with
I
it?
have seen it though.
Isn't this the car he has in the movie?
Okay, here's the problem.
You don't know.
I don't remember what kind of car he was driving.
Give me the car.
How many packs he has on his abs? I can tell you that.
He's got it.
And you know.
And he's got the V. We all know. Come on.
Oh, he's got the.
Is this
Come
a
on.
toilet?
That's a hot seat.
Cars, I can't tell.
Karen's got a hot seat. Check her out with the hole. What'd you do to the steering wheel?
This is a steering wheel.
Strong.
There you
Yeah,
go.
there we go.
Well, it looks like the first one that came out too.
Is that a toilet bowl?
That's the hot seat. Daisy.
That's what that is. It's a toilet bowl.
Karen, now you gotta pick out a car.
Yes.
A really interesting car that you would like.
Wait, before you do that though, I just noticed now, because I've seen this before,
Yeah.
that the steering wheel is a plunger.
Yeah.
I just noticed that though.
Wow.
Wow, what a great story. That's what you're thinking?
Those
No,
plungers
it's a
though.
great story because everyone's gonna be like, you didn't know that, Michelle?
Oh, you didn't know?
Like, especially PJs, and you're like, Michelle, really? That's a punter. You didn't notice?
I did not notice. Did you say know this?
So, know this.
Or notice?
Know this. She's gonna.
Right there.
We're gonna have
Right there.
Karen pick out a cool car that she would like. And she's gonna do the keep go bam. You're gonna take the car, whatever one you pick, you hold it and you go BAM! Like that.
Okay.
Right to the
Can
camera.
you do it just like that?
Not like that, but just do it like.
Like bam!
You gotta Karen bam it.
Bam!
There you go!
Look at bam.
Nice! With the
I'm so
Corvette.
proud.
Yes.
I'm proud of you.
Chevy Corvette on the side. Look at that.
Oh, no.
Beautiful.
Okay, yeah, that's
Bam,
done.
boom.
She's like,
Here's a pink one.
Looks like a
Michelle,
10 dot
what?
tire.
Oh, I love this pink one.
Where we at here? 7 minutes? Okay. What else you got? What's in the box, Karen? What's in the box?
It's a pink car, and I love
It's
it.
a
I
Lamborghini.
just want to tell you people,
Lamborghini.
it's
Say-
a
why don't you-
Lamborghini.
Instead of saying tell you people, why don't you say thank
Here's
you
a
to
blue
Billy?
Lamborghini.
Thank you, Billy. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. I love it. See, my nails are pink. See? And this is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much. I love it.
From room.
Blue Lamborghini.
Yeah, I think so.
You gotta bam it.
No, there's
Bam!
Nice.
Nice.
And green ultra hots. The wheels. Those are awesome.
Those wheels though.
Nice. Up close and detailed. Wham, bam. Thank you, Sam. Or Stan. What are you?
Stand.
That's awesome. What else you got in the box there? What's in the box, Karen? What's in the box? What's in the box,
I
Karen?
got a
What's in the
silver
box?
Ferrari.
Oh, silver sparkle Ferrari. Bam that. Bam it.
Bam!
Yeah.
Yeah, got that Ferrari up in there.
What? Ferrari, what? Ferrari. What? Up close and detailed, like Karen did, all the way up to. There we go. Bam!
Look, she's got another one. I can't win.
That's awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna tear this.
What you got now? Oh,
Bam!
Minion Pig. What? Minion Pig. You. It is time to look at your phone. What time do you guys want to go?
Well, we have to be there between 12 and 12:15.
Oh.
Something like that.
My sister was at the time. My best was so long.
Oh, you can fix it.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry about it.
Try.
Yeah.
There you
All
go.
right. What you
Got
got?
it.
Bam!
Flipmobile.
Bam bam.
Bam bam.
Bam, bam.
Yeah, double bam. It's like bam bam. Flipmobile coming at you. Maybe let's see if we can do this. Look at that steering wheel there. Look at that.
Oh
I
yeah.
never saw that until now. I bet y'all didn't see it either. Haha, cool.
Nice.
That was pretty cool. I didn't notice that before.
What the hell?
What?
Oh, it's a crack up.
A what?
A crack up. Look, it's like this. Look at that. It's all broken, right? Straighten it out.
Chewing on something.
And now you take
Come
the
here,
car.
Daisy.
And look,
Daisy.
you hold it, and you go to crash. Boom. Well,
Try the other side.
Did you
Yeah,
just
hit the other
fall?
side.
I think so.
Bam. And it crashed. Look, see.
That's awesome.
Oh,
See that, people?
Okay.
Hopefully
That's
not.
Bam.
Bam. Alright, we got 10 minutes. We pick out 2 more cars.
2 more.
She's digging through the box.
This one looks like a galaxy.
Is that another Lambo?
Another Lambo.
Nice.
Lamborghini. Bam.
Bam.
Dun, dun, dun.
Detail it up, spin it around like you're on a showroom.
She's very good at this.
Awesome. There you go. Show it. Show those taillights.
Mom. It just fixed
Nice. And the wing, too. That was pretty cool. You got the hang of it.
Yes. And another Ferrari.
Ooh, you like those Ferraris?
Yes. Bam.
Bam, son.
Okay. Oh my God, there's like 3 dogs here. Okay.
Show those taillights.
I'm okay. Oh,
Uncle
look at
Chris.
this one. She wants to be on the
Show
show
those
too. Look at
taillights.
her.
Dun.
Get on the chair.
Daisy. Winning. Winning. Come here. You go.
How many more Uncle Chris?
Daisy. Come here. Come here, Daisy.
We're calling.
Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Show it. Show what you got.
She's like, is there anything up here I could chew on?
Say hello. Say hello, people.
She's like, why is everything backwards over there?
hello, people.
it.
Crazy Daisy.
Kisses for everybody.
Oh,
No,
are
down.
you done now? You done being a star? Okay, you win. Alright, we got 1 more, 2 more? What do we got? Because we got like 2 more minutes to go on this.
Okay.
And we got a motor.
This one.
You got what?
We have to motor.
You gotta move? You gotta move
Gonna
on?
leave.
Hey, you should appreciate the fact that I use the term motor because of this, you know, what you are into is cars. And cars have motors.
So you should say you gotta get a move on.
Yeah, but that has nothing to do with cars. So the fact that I say we got a motor, that's, you know.
Again, that's what I deal with. Anyway,
And he loves
you got?
me.
What you got?
Like,
What you got?
insanely loves me.
paint it up. Looks like one of your son's cars. Awesome.
Bam.
Dirty.
Yeah.
It's got a Monte Carlo,
Broken.
maybe.
No, that's a.
that another one?
Looks like a Fox Body Mustang.
Yeah?
I think so.
What's it saying on the bottom there?
Doesn't say anything.
Oh yeah, she's right. But it's from 1979. It's an old one. It's one of those ones from the back in the day when they had those long ass axles.
Back
Yeah.
in the day.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Freaking long ass axles, man.
Yup.
Man,
Crazy.
I'm not
Oh, it's one of my
playing.
favorite ones.
Bam.
Bam! The bulldozer with hydraulics. Check those hydraulics out. Let's see it. Oh, we can get a good look at it. There-
Oh,
there's
it's
the
a
metal.
dog. Okay.
It's up and down.
What does she have in
And
her mouth now?
the treads move. That's
Oh,
awesome.
look at her, sweet.
She is.
Where's the other one?
Oh.
She went up that way.
Oh, okay.
Alright,
She's in
we'll
the
take
house.
one more. And then we
One
can
more?
call it a night.
Alright.
Yes.
We got another police unit.
Oh, nice.
Bam.
Bam, son!
And it says police,
Yes. It says police on
despite it being
Shake those
backwards.
cherry lights.
both
Yeah,
sides.
It's really,
Show
Unit
show
when they
those,
watch it,
show those cherries.
Oh.
Show those cherries on
because
top.
it looks like
They may be blue, but they're cherries.
you like
And
Ah.
inside.
Up close and detailed. What?
Equile.
The,
But
oh,
it
this is
comes
the
out as-
Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X Policia. That's awesome.
That's why
Lancer
I
Evil.
Boom!
It's like I can't
I did
read
boom
what
because
it
it's carrying
says
the
on
band.
Screen because it's backwards.
I didn't know it was a Lancer. That's awesome. Thanks, Bill. Billy, that's awesome.
Because it's like a mirror.
I can't go through anymore. I have to go
But they
through
see you from the
the
front.
box and let me
Okay.
display it all
So I was like, so
tonight.
does that mean they see
Set-
the back
maybe
of my
take
head?
pictures of it and
Like,
show you guys on Google Plus and
it makes no
Instagram.
sense to me.
Check it out.
It works.
And my boy Matt is getting back in this. King Mopar is getting back in the shot because he's got stuff tonight too. And we're going on 14:43. So we're out of here. Check for us later. As always, happy hauling, happy hunting, happy collecting. Peace.